As you can see that the engine is pretty so viewers, as you can see, the engine is in a very bad shape. It's not in a pretty bad shape. It's because the truck has been sitting for almost a minimum of 10 years. So after 10 years now we have started it up, and now we just are restoring it back to its original position. And as you can see, the engine is in very bad condition and it is so much dirty, and all the grease and deposits are on it at a very bad rate. So now what we are going to do is, the basic aim of the video is to see that do these engine degreasers work enough to clean this kind of engine, or are they for just normal cleaning of a regular car engine. So first of all, what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean all the heavy deposits with the help of this wire brush, and I'm going to use this wire brush to clean all the deposits like this, which are too much deposited on there, and overall I'm going to use some screwdriver or wrenches or things like that to clean them up. And after that I'm going to use this degreaser. So let's see how this engine turns out. So viewers, now as you can see, most of the parts have been removed. What I have done is I have removed all the rubber parts, all the pipes, and you can see also I have removed these brake oil rubber covers that are on top of the cylinders, and I remove all sorts of rubber pipes and bushings and everything which was on the engine. So now that the engine is naked, and what I have done to the rubber pipes is that I have bought some detergent, and you can say, so what I have done to all these rubber parts is that I have bought some detergent and I soaked them in the detergent, and I'm going to leave them for 2 to 3 hours so that all of their dust and mud is going to come off, and then it would be so much easy. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean all of it with the help of a brush, and then I'm going to apply degreaser on it. So viewers, welcome back. After 2 hours now I've cleaned it all with the help of a brush and screwdriver and things like that, and now it looks like very much better than before. So as you can see, most of the heavy deposits have been removed, and now they are just little deposits, and you can say dust, everything that has been deposited, and I hope so it will be removed with the help of the degreaser. So now let's see how the degreaser works. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to apply a single layer of degreaser to all the engine, and then I'm going to clean it with the help of a brush, and then we will wash it up and give it a second layer and clean it up. So let's see how it does with the hood. First of all, I'm going to try it up on the hood and all the other chassis. So let's see. So now I've applied it all, and now I'm gonna rinse it up with the help of a brush. I'm gonna use this brush as well as the other normal brush. So let's see how does it come. Viewers, here you go. After the first application of the degreaser, I just rubbed it with the help of brush, and then I pressure washed it, and now you can see it looks much better. Here you go. Most of the deposits have been removed, and the engine has started to come out. But now the day has turned out and it is evening now, so now I'm gonna leave it like this. I'm going to apply another layer of degreaser on the whole engine, and then I'm going to leave it overnight, and I'm also going to leave the rubbers or the rubber strips overnight so that they clean up, and then in the morning I'm going to then just apply other layer and clean it up. So let's apply a layer of degreaser. So now we have applied another layer of degreaser to the whole engine, and hope so it would go well. Turbo was really bad, so I just need to clean up the turbo because it looks very good if it's clean. So here you go. I'm gonna apply some heavy on the parts that are more dirtier. So now I'm gonna leave it overnight, and then I'm gonna come back in the morning and hope so that most of the dirt would have been removed. Then I'll again rub it with the help of a brush, clean all the parts, and then I'll pressure wash it, and then let's see how it comes out.